Hey guys, welcome to Techavro. In this video, I'm gonna be showing you how to remove yourself from a Facebook page as admin. So you have to go to the Facebook page first. Make sure you are logged into your Facebook page, not your Facebook normal account or daily account. You have to click on, if you want to check, you have to click on this account option, which is top right corner, the profile icon. Then you can see your profile name and your Facebook page name. You have to click on the Facebook page name. Then it will be switch to your Facebook page account. Now you have to go to this option, professional dashboard. Click on this and scroll down till you find page setup. Click on this page setup, sorry, not page setup, my bad, sorry, page access, this one. Click on page access, and if you want to remove yourself as an admin, you have to make someone admin for this page. You have to click on this add new and then click on next, and you have to write here the name. Click on give access. Now you have to put the password. Click on confirm. You can see that this guy is now has invitation for Facebook admin, page admin. Now you can remove yourself from this. Click on this and click on remove access. If you click on remove access, you will be removed from this Facebook page as an admin. Okay, you are no longer admin of this page. So this is how you can do this, guys. If you find this video helpful, then please give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you so much for watching the video.